Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like when you walk in. You can disregard the filming lights. I actually had to move another one just so I could have easier access to my tree. But yeah, so this is just an overall view of kind of like what it looks like. And with the lighting, it's kind of, you know, it's a little tricky. I wanted to film it during the day. I didn't want to put that light on up above that you see because it would just give it a yellowy cast. So I think it's okay. But anyways, let's get into this. My favorite part of this room is my tree. And actually, you guys, I got this tree at Walmart last year. It's a 6.5 foot and I paid like $15 or $20 for it. You need to go like right after Christmas, like the day after Christmas, and everything is so cheap. So I got this tree super cheap. It's pre-lit, which was great. And then I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. And I was gonna leave the lights off, but I wanted to turn them on. So it might look a little bit weird because it's daytime. But anyway, so all these ornaments pretty much that you see are from Walmart, all like the round bulbs. It was like a tub of 50 of them and I bought 2 tubs of them, and I still have so many left over, and I got them dirt cheap as well. And I kind of just like threw this idea together like 2 weekends ago, and I'm like super impressed with how it came out. Now I have some little odds and ends ornaments from like leftover from a few years ago when I used to do my burgundy tree, and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite ornaments. It's Barbie, old school Barbie. She's right there. And then I have another wine bottle. Of course I would have a wine bottle, but I thought that that looked kind of cute there. I think that bird ornament and then that bright pink one right there, I think I got those at Walmart. I'm not really sure as well, but everything was after the fact, after the holidays. So yes, that is my Christmas tree for my beauty room. I absolutely love it. And especially like at nighttime, if I'm getting ready to go somewhere and I have it on, it just, I don't know, it just feels so cool. I know that sounds corny, but I just love it. It's my winter wonderland, my woman cave. Over here on the lac shelves, it's not like I really did a lot over here. So I was telling you guys how I had a ton of bulbs left over. Now these are more of like a paler pink. They're not like hot pink like the ornaments, as you can see. So I just put them randomly on my IKEA lac shelves, and I believe down there from leftover from last year, if you guys can see, well I have that's like a holiday candle holder. I think there's twisted peppermint in there, and then I have a twisted peppermint from last year body lotion. So yeah, I just put the ornaments like just, you know, disperse them evenly on the lac shelf. So I thought that that looked cute. Now when I'm filming, to the left of me or to the right of me, depending on which way you look, you will see this tree, and I feel like you can't even tell it's, well there you go, you can tell it's lit up, but I might get better string lights for it because I feel like it's not that noticeable. Basically this tree is from the Dollar Tree, you guys. It was $1. You know, it's not like too fancy, anything great, but it'll do the job. I didn't want to like spend a lot of money on something that I'm only going to use for a couple weeks. And then again, I had all these ornaments left over. I just put them on the tree. So I thought that that kind of looked cute for my videos, just, you know, in the background. And up here, you'll see these 2 mini trees. These trees have so much freaking glitter on them, you guys. But I got these from Target, and I have the bigger ones as well. And I kind of dispersed them around my room, as you guys will see. So I just put a pink one and a white one. These ones are from the Target dollar spot, and I believe they had a couple other colors, but for the sake of my beauty room, I decided to go with just the pink and the white. So I have those placed there. Right on my vanity, I placed 2 of the bigger ones right there, the white one and the pink one. And I'm in my bathrobe, you guys, the pink bathrobe. Could have guessed that one. Over here, I have this reindeer. I've had this reindeer for a few years now. It's like a champagne rose gold color, and then it's got like a pink and gray, I don't know, it looks almost like a flower ribbon, if you will, around its neck. But I thought that this tree, when I saw it for the first time, was so pretty. I got it at AC Moore a couple of years ago, and honestly, you guys, I think they still have this tree there. It's just like a leftover item that they just put up every year for Christmas. They have them in different colors. So I popped that there. I bought this before we even built this house, so, you know, it doesn't really match the color scheme in here. I had nowhere else to put it, so I thought that, you know, it would look okay there. Moving over to this lac shelf, I have some string lights in there, but I've always had those. I put those on when I'm filming for you guys, but I just wanted to show you that I have more of the ornaments going on. I just kind of zigzagged them and placed them randomly up and down the lac shelf. Lastly, over here, I just have 2 more of those mini trees from Target. I just placed them right there. So I know this video was super quick, but that is okay with me. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I did to my beauty room for the holidays, and maybe this could give you guys some ideas. But again, I would highly suggest maybe try to hold off until after the holidays because a lot of this stuff goes on sale and it's dirt cheap. Like, I could not believe I got that tree for like $15 or $20. I think the one in my dining room was $15. You guys will see that in my holiday home tour video coming up. But this tree, it was either $15 or $20. You can't beat that for a pre-lit tree. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and have fun decorating your house, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.